Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. Thank you for staying tuned. This is Creative Entrepreneurship Channel, where we share information on how you can make money online. And if you're looking for where to invest your money, then this is the right channel for you. Kindly click the subscription button if you're yet to subscribe. Smash the notification bell, because when I drop videos like this, you will be the first to see them. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an app where you can make money by performing tasks, playing games, and sharing your internet. This app has paid over $3.8 million all over the world. So anywhere watching this video, kindly stay tuned to the end as I share with you this app. I'll be seeing you guys in the next page. Welcome guys, and thank you for staying tuned. So as you're looking at my screen, you're going to see pawns.app. So that's the name of the app, and I'm going to log in into my dashboard as we proceed. So let me log in. So alright, so these are some of the tasks we can perform on this app. You can perform surveys. You can see this survey is for 0.9 cents, and also you can perform another survey for 3.50 cents. Isn't that wonderful? Also, you can spin the wheel for free, which is available for 22 hours. Also, you can share your internet. Yeah, you heard me right. So when you click on share your internet, you are going to share your internet with your friends, and also to give you opportunity to spin this wheel over here and on this dashboard. Also, we can see lastly here, you can perform survey for $2.45. Isn't that wonderful? So if you find this app interesting, kindly go over to my comment section. I'm going to input my referral link where you can download this app. So as soon as you download this app, you are going to get $3 bonus. You heard me right. So go over to the comment section. I'll be pinning it over there so you can download this app from there. Also, if you've previously worked on this app, Pawns.app, which has paid over 3.8 million to its user, and you have a good experience, kindly go to the comment section and type your positive or negative experience. So this app is simple to use, as you can look at the interface. Also, it's easy to register, so you don't have issues with the registration. So I'm going to head over to Trustpilot to see what people are talking about the app. So you can see Pawns.app. You can see it's a verified company, and also let's look at the reviews over here. The 5-star is 76%, which is positive reviews, and we also have the 4 stars, which is 10%. We have the 3 stars, which is 5%. We have the 2 stars, which is 2%, and we have the 1 star, which is 7%. So this overall is trying to tell us that this app is working and is performing well. So let's move on. So the first review here is 2 days ago, and Vincent replied to my inquiry about withdrawal extremely quickly, was super helpful. I was able to request withdrawal within 2 minutes after receiving help, and is giving them a 5-star. So I was able to withdraw $15. So this person was able to withdraw $15, and he had issues with the withdrawal. I was able to reach out to the admin and they rectify its issue. So loving the app so far. So that's what this person said. And on 20 hours ago, personal experience with the app. To be honest, this app seems so legit. When I first saw it, and it is really is. I don't doubt their way of earning here, since it took me some couples of weeks just to withdraw. So this person is giving them a positive. You say I've earned a total of $11,694. I think that's what the person is trying to say. So it is sending positive review, and this is Matthew Parana. So now let's move over to another one. Super easy way to earn extra cash. I have been using Pawns for a bit now, and I absolutely love it. So this person too is giving them a 5-star review. And lastly, I have a great experience using the app. This is 1 day ago. It is legit earning app for me. I recently got my first withdrawal, and I want to recommend it to some of my friends. So this app is paying its users. So let's go over to how you can withdraw your money. So let me type Pawns app withdrawal method. So let's click. So we can see these are the withdrawal method for Pawns app. So Pawns.app you can withdraw their earnings using a variety of payment method. The first one, you can use Bitcoin. The second one, you can use a Visa. The second most popular method available to 201. So Visa is available to 201 countries. You can use PayPal, which is available to 101 countries. You can use your Amazon, which is available to 14 countries. Venmo, available in the US. Payoneer, available in the US. And basically Payoneer is even available in most of the countries right now. So gift card available in various forms, including gift cards. So these are the basic payment method for Pawns.app. So guys, if you're getting value from this video, kindly smash the like button. Kindly go to the comment section, just like I said, and download the app and make $3 bonus. So if you're getting value from this video, also subscribe, click the notification bell, share this video so that so many people can also benefit from making money online. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.